So finally we're here. Oh my god, they're lining up, so we have to wait here. Hey guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, we are here at Island City Mall, and we will be checking out the Bohol International Garden. Based on the comments on our YouTube videos and also the messages that we get, there are people outside Bohol asking if we know some legit suppliers. So I am here with Gerald and of course my sister. There are so many participating shops, so we'll get a chance to ask if they can send out their plans. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon beside it so you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are interested, just keep watching. Just a disclaimer, I may need to mute some parts of the video that might have any copyright claims. But before we get in, there is a safety guideline that we can read. And then you will be asked to write down your name, your contact number, and your address just for contact tracing purposes. They will be offering you alcohol as well. And then finally, let you in. So once you get in, this is the very first booth that you will see. I'm not sure what is the booth number, but this is the G Bohol plants from Lebho Secatuna Bohol. But I believe that I know the owner of this shop on Facebook, just on Facebook. And I am excited to see her. I always see her post her plants on Facebook. And she has this variegated American Yucca that is on sale for today and is only worth 1,350 pesos. Interviewhan na siya. So she is Madam Marge Campion on Facebook. I'm just not sure how do I pronounce her name. But siya po yung may-ari ng shop na to. Wow! Oh, American Yucca.
Wow. Real price there, 3,500. 3,500 down of sale karon for only 1,200.
Wow. Arita kay madaraghang yun.
Yes.
Grabe, kakakita ko lang na variegated American Yucca niya, but meron na siyang buyer and it's already sold. She also has this giant local green Congo that is from 7,500 down to 5,500 na lang. Sobrang ganda.
5,000 na lang. Oh, 5,000 na lang.
1,000 na lang. Green thumb.
Kanong adlaw for only 2,900. Malas pa doon na to.
Depende sa tabot.
Yes.
So what's good here at Cheapo Plants is that the price is always negotiable because wala po siyang supplier. So meaning, siya mismo yung nagpalaki ng mga halaman niya. So she can play with the prices and you can just keep on haggling to get your plants at the best deal you can offer.
Every edge should see close. I mean, ano po.
This beautiful Cobra Fern is worth 2,850. Wow, sana all. Thank you! Malibot sa amin. So we moved here because someone told us na ito daw yung first booth. I'm just not sure, but she has the rare plants here. Meron po siyang Florida Beauty. Anyway guys, we are here at the Garden of Luci. So she has this Silvery Ann, which is imported from Poland ba yun? Hindi ko talaga maalala. But this is worth 8,500 pesos. The Trifoliate Anthurium is worth 7,500 pesos here at the Garden of Luci. So she has the most expensive plant, I believe. Ito yung Philodendron variegated Bulete, which is worth 250,000 pesos. And the other one is worth 300,000 pesos. So, dito lang po yan sa Garden of Luci, guys. She was the owner of that 400,000 pesos na variegated green Congo. And believe it or not, that was sold. That was last expo at the Altacita Mall. Sobrang dami po ng mga Monstera Peru at ng Black Prince niya. So, I believe this one is worth 1,900 and the Black Prince and the Rubber Tiniki are both 1,200 pesos. But this variegated Hoyas are worth 700. This beautiful Red Moon right here is worth 30,000 pesos. This Jose Bono that is available here is worth 10,000 pesos. Her variegated Ring of Fire is worth 9,500 pesos. So, ayan. Pero iba po yung price ng mga planter nito. I believe it's worth 1,000 or 1,500. So, she really brought a humidifier for her plants. Oh my God, I spotted a Dior bag. Katulad ng kay Julia Barreto, guys. Okay, let's move on from that. This Gloriosum is worth 3,000 pesos. She also has the Sunlight Philo that is worth 1,600 pesos. So, sobrang dami ng mga rare dito, guys. Meron po siyang Queen Anthurium, which is worth 39,000. And Variegated Monstera Puru na 20,000. This corner right here is full of her rare plants. So, tag 21,000 ni guys. Sabi nga, hindi na ako mabasa sa kataas. Bali nilang mga pangalan na... Based on the prices, I don't think I deserve to know them. Sobrang mahal nila, guys. This one right here is a splendid something. So guys, the Super Boom is worth 13,500 pesos. So sobrang dami ng mga rare plants ni Madam Luci, guys. But I do not know them all. So sobrang haba ng mga pangalan nila. So ito pala yung Pastanum. So 44,000, guys. So if you are not busy, kindly calculate all of those plants na mayroong price. I-calculate nyo how much lahat yung nasa booth niya. Sobrang dami, guys. But to sum it up, mas lamig yun ang tag-iya. So I believe, guys, that we are now here at the Bohol Happy Pots. Hindi ko po nakita yung tarp nila. On the past expos where they joined, sobrang dami ng pots nila. But ngayon, they are more on plants, the lucky plants. They are also having a lot of succulents at an affordable price. So you can come here if you want to save some space in your home. You can get it here at Bohol Happy Pots. We are now moving on to the blooms and prickles. So nandito po tayo ngayon kasi may nakita na naman akong dish garden. So it's a succulent dish garden. Thank you so much sa mga nag-comment. I really appreciate you guys. And this is a variegated alocasia. Meron din po silang mga pebbles. So, ayan, they are 100 per pack. And ito yung sili na to parang kakaiba. It's worth 350 pesos. And what caught my attention, itong mga kutsaritas na to, guys. Sobrang colorful nila. They are worth 350 pesos per pot. Tama ba ako? So, sobrang dami ng plants na available dito, guys. There is a Popeye that is worth 4,500 pesos. Variegated king. Kita ko mga kauban nga plantitas, guys. The huge Miliona is worth 9,600 pesos. And that is from G Bohol Plants. I have been asking a lot of shop owners. And si Madam Luci po of Luci's Garden yung nagsiship ng plants outside Bohol. Don't worry, guys. Aside from those rare plants on display na sobrang mahal, meron po siya mga murang plants from Thailand. So we are moving on to the Jardin de Gavin. Kila po na isa ka set, sir? 1.5. Oh my God, that Laishu gardening set is worth 1,500 pesos. So, mga purple lovers, come here. Anyway, guys, when it comes to locally grown philodendrons, Jardin de Gavin can offer you good deals when it comes to their plants. Kasi sila po yung nakitaan ko ng much cheaper plants na sobrang ganda. Did not get in kasi sobrang haba ng pila. Only 30 persons are allowed to get in at a time. Remember the 30,000 pesos Red Moon, guys? This one is very much bigger but it's worth 15,000 pesos. The Choco Cardinal is 3,500 and the Golden Jungle Fever is 2,500. The imported plants is ranging from 1,000 to 2,400. Yung cultured black cardinal nila na available dito.
Ay, meet up mo ito, Bilaran?
Wow.
Wala pa ba may coral dito na? Ay na, the price makita. 15. Tagas kay stock.
Anong pangalan nito? This one is also beautiful. We are now moving on to the Avelosum Blossom. Meron po silang red emerald and it's worth 3,500. They also have the lucky plants here. Ito yung mga lucky bamboo, I believe. There is a dark lore that is worth 3,500 pesos. The Mexicanum is worth 2,500. Let's ask if they send their plants. Beautiful Calkins at 5,000. Unfortunately, they do not send out their plants. They're afraid that it might be damaged while in transit. So far, only Garden of Luci confirmed that they can send out their plants anywhere here in the Philippines. So, itong Williams is worth 2,500. Oh my God, medyo mahaba-haba tong letter ni Caladium lindenei. Ewan ko kung ganun siya i-pronounce. The Monstera Peru is worth 900. However, this dwarf pagoda that is worth 5,000 is already sold. They also have dome canes, guys. And this one that is worth 1,250. I think that is a Melanoni. This one is a variegated. They are both 300. Sobrang lalaki na, guys. Oh, this is a bit shocking. The Peperomia is worth 700. So, good thing here, guys. Meron siyang pangalan and then meron po siyang price na nakalagay. So, nakatape siya dyan. So there is a beautiful variegated elephant ear and it's worth 900. And this is a Calathea mosaica. It's worth 800, guys. Meron na namang Miliona and it's worth 1,800. There is a big tricolor and the Orlando doesn't have a price. Pero ang Choco Empress po is worth 2,700 pesos. So ayan, ang ganda. But it's a mother plant. So this one right here that is worth 1,600 pesos is a green imperial, I believe. So ayan, sobrang laki na niya. And meron pong magnificum that is worth 550 pesos. Medyo sira-sira yung dahon niya. And a crystallinum that is 550 as well. Kindly differentiate them if you know. Bakit hindi mukhang pink yung pink princess? Sobrang dami ng cobra fern. The black marie is worth 3,000. Anyway, guys, all were from the Garden of Eden. So, and guys, we are now moving on to the Nifty Interiors and Creations. And they have these macrame planters, guys. It's worth 1,500 pesos each. And sobrang ganda nila for your hanging plants that you wish to put indoors. They can also be a great wall design, guys. What's amazing here at Nifty, guys, is that they have hand-painted pots. So, they look like hand-painted pots. I believe they are. So, sobrang gaganda. And most of them are in pastel colors. They are also selling paintings na ganyan yung mga design. Very aesthetic. If ever one day soon we're gonna design our own space, then I will be getting some pieces from them for sure. The black pots with an accent of these flowers. I'm just not sure what kind of flowers are they. Sobrang ganda po niyang tingnan and they are available in different sizes. This one right here is a variegated ZZ, but I think that's already sold because it has been separated from the others. Smaller sizes of pots of different colors are also available down below. They're perfect for your office tables or even on top of your organizers at home. Apart from those beautiful pots that they are selling and those macrame, they also have some fertilizer, and then the lucky bamboos are also available here at Nifty Interiors and Creations. I'm sorry for the loud background noise. There is someone that is assigned at the entrance to keep on reminding everyone about maintaining social distancing and also in announcing about their raffle. I believe that the Bohol International Garden is an expo for a cause. They keep on announcing it and the proceeds will go to a charity. I just don't know if I'm right. Basta I think this is an expo for a cause. They also have adeniums, guys, and they have this Caladium humbolottii. Yun yung mga naririnig kong pronunciation sa mga ganong spelling eh. Sobrang ganda nito and it's already sold. So we will move on to the green box. I already saw them on the past two expos that we've been to. They're always on the go. So, nandito na naman sila ngayon. And they are having a lot of plants available here.
Isaya sa kanan ang naibarko.
I keep on asking participants if they ship their plants. However, so far, si Madam Luci lang talaga yung nag-confirm. And this one, the green box, they ship their plants. However, sa Visayas area lang or kung saan merong barko para madaling makarating yung plants sa nag-order. The participants here are all legit suppliers of plants. However, so far, it's only the Garden of Luci who confirmed that they can ship their plants anywhere here in the Philippines. But do not worry, guys, we still have a lot more shops to ask if they can send out their plants. So, dito sa side na to, this green box is the last one, but marami pa pong iba. So, we'll still roam around to find more. Most of them are afraid to take the risk kasi baka madamage yung plants nila while in transit, even if hindi naman nila kasalanan kasi nakikita naman natin na pinopost sa online yung mga ganon. So, kaya siguro medyo takot sila. So, some of them may ship their plants but only in areas na malapit lang sa Bohol. I have seen this Monstera laniata there at Altasita. So, hindi pala talaga to for sale kasi hanggang ngayon nandito pa siya. But this one is the baby. And ito yung for sale, which is worth 2.5. This is the green Congo. I'm just not sure if it is for sale kasi wala po siyang price na nakalagay. The Monstera Pinnati Partita and the Homomedon is worth 4,500 each. I so love all of those rare plants that I have seen. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video, and I will see you on the part 2 of this Bohol International Garden. Let us check out for more legit suppliers as well. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA Bohol. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!